How to change default apps on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. By default, set the phone app, message app, internet browser app on your device. So if you want to set the third-party application or change the default application, follow these settings. Open the app drawer on your phone, tap the settings app. Now scroll down until you can see the apps on your device. Tap on apps. At the top, you can see the choose default application. Choose which app to use for making call, sending message, going to website. So tap the choose default apps. Here you can see the list of default application available on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device, including a browser app, caller ID spam app, digital assist app, home app, S1 UI 7 on S25 Ultra, phone app, SMS, wallet app, or browser app. Tap on a browser app. Here you can choose Google Chrome or Samsung Internet as the default internet browser app on your device. 6 caller ID spam app as a phone, caller ID and spam app, digital assistant as a Google, Gemini or Bixby. One UI 7 is the default home application. You can use Nova Launcher also. Here you select phone app, SMS app, Google Messages apps or Samsung Messages application. So it's quite easy to change the default message application or set default message on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device. That's it. Like it, share it.